we set up an ad campaign in Facebook, there are a number of different marketing objectives that Facebook will let us go after. And one of those objectives is something called conversions. Now, what Facebook will do is it will optimize your ad campaigns for you based upon a conversion goal that you define. So if you define to Facebook that you want people to buy your product, what you would do is you'd put the Facebook pixel on the product page, and then again on the what's called the success page, which in our situation would be the thank you for your order, your widget will be shipped to you, and please leave us a review, that kind of thing, okay? So that's your success page. So your success page and your product page both get the Facebook pixel tracking on it, and then Facebook can tell when you make a conversion, when you make a sale, and then it will optimize your traffic to try and bring you more sales, all right? So that's conversions as a marketing objective, and that is super, super cool. However, what you need for that is access to the code on the place that you're trying to make sales. So you need to be able to put your unique Facebook pixel code on the web property that you're trying to make sales on. Now, if you're selling on Amazon, you cannot do that. Amazon will not let you put the pixel code on Amazon's website. Therefore, you cannot use your marketing objective as conversions because you're not able to give Facebook the data that it needs to define a conversion and to optimize for them. So instead, Hiten, use traffic. Traffic is the very, very best Amazon strategy for a marketing objective, and it's the one I continually use when I'm sending people to my product listing on Amazon, whether that be through the storefront URL or directly to the page, depending on what my strategy is. I always use a traffic campaign to do that, all right? I'm currently experimenting with Facebook Messages, and there's a bit of a discussion within our community about Facebook Messages, and somebody mentioned that they thought they were pretty intrusive, and my whole shtick is advertising and marketing is only ever intrusive when it is selling you something that you've got no interest in buying. So if I am in the market for, I don't know, a new car, and I get a message from Toyota, well, that's terrible targeting for me because I've got no interest in a Toyota car. If I get a message from Porsche, that's great targeting for me, and I'll very, very happily read that message. So that's how targeting works. So poorly targeted messengers in Facebook create pissed off consumers. That's what happens. So you've got to get your targeting right, and that's what I'm experimenting with in Facebook. So Hiten, use traffic for now. That's your best strategy going forward, mate.
Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, and post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.